From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Grant Lashott, and we'll be bringing you your Friday morning forecast. So as you can see from the live shot over Nittany Valley this morning, we do have some snow on the ground from some quick snow we received overnight and into this morning. And with that, our temps this morning are really cold out there, with our temperature right now at 25 with a feels-like temperature of 13, reporting some snow as of right now with our dew point at 18, a visibility of 5 miles, and a west-northwest wind at 14 miles an hour. So, as we look at our weather headlines entering into this weekend, it's going to be windy and cold today, bringing the start of what we're going to see a lot of cold air beginning next week. And as I said, we're going to see that polar plunge start to come down onto the East Coast next week. And of course, we do have a chance for some snow showers this weekend, but nothing too major. So as we look over the radar right now this morning, you can see we do have some snow affecting central portions of the state with some snow coming in behind it. But in terms of how impactful the snow will be, it's really not going to do much other than drop a coating down on roadways or sidewalks. So if you're walking out there, make sure it's not slick and be safe while you're out there. So as you can see from our temperatures here this morning, it's 25 in State College, 25 down in Altoona. And as you go further west in the state this morning, it's getting cooler. So as you can see up in Du Bois, it's 19. But down here in Harrisburg, it's 32, right at that freezing mark. So as you can see for the majority of the entire state, much of the same story, 30 up here in Williamsport, 18 in Bradford, and 21 in Erie. So as I said, those winds are strong here in State College, so how does that translate to feels-like temperatures? As you can see, those feels-like temperatures are very cold out there this morning, 13 in State College, 4 down in Johnstown, and 5 over in Pittsburgh. Even Philadelphia is getting a taste of those feels-like temperatures with a feels-like temperature in the mid-20s. So how those feels-like temperatures going to do? How those temperatures rather going to do into the weekend? Well, as you can see, by midnight on Saturday, those temperatures are really going to take a nosedive here in State College with 14 in State College, 9 up in Du Bois, and 11 up in Franklin. Down here in our southeast corner, Philadelphia even at 26, and Allentown at 21. And as you can see, those temperatures by Saturday, mid until late Saturday morning, really do not rise much, but it barely making it to 20 by Saturday morning up in State College, 21 in Johnstown, even in the mid-teens over in western portions of the state. And as we get into Saturday night and into really early Sunday, you can see again those temperatures really just aren't going to do much in terms of moving. 16 in State College, 15 in Du Bois, down here in Philadelphia even not making it up to freezing. So it's going to be very cold this weekend, and even the feels-like temperatures are going to feel extremely cold, with those feels-like temperatures by 2 a.m. Saturday being still in the single digits here in central Pennsylvania, even in the negatives up here in the northwest portion of the state, -1 in Erie, -7 in Bradford. Still very cold temperatures to have to deal with those winds and those cold temperatures being combined. As we look at by Saturday morning, again, those feels-like temperatures will rise to right around where it feels as those winds do die down, but still 11 in State College, 6 in Du Bois. Back down here in Philly, again, in the mid-20s, 19 in Allentown, and 8 up in Scranton. Those temperatures are going to be cold combined with those winds, even though those winds will be light. So as we take a look into what future weather will bring us, you can see here in State College, by noon today, those clouds should clear out, and that snow should clear out. And really the only portions of snow that will be in the state will be up in Erie and up in the northern portions of the state. And as we progress into our day and into our overnight, you can see those clouds won't linger around at all for State College and for a majority of the eastern portion of the state. And that really by tomorrow morning, we will see those clouds start to make their way in. And of course, there will be a chance for snow showers for a decent majority of the center part of the state, and including parts down here in Johnstown and Pittsburgh. Again, nothing major, just enough to put a quick coating down on the road. So do be careful if you see these snow showers start to move in tomorrow. And as we progress into tomorrow and into tomorrow night, you can see those clouds will linger. We do have that nice southerly breeze, like I said, bringing in warmer air, but again, it's not going to be that warm with our temperature barely making it out of the teens. So as we look over our forecast for today, you can see we are going to have a high of about 25 here, very blustery, partly cloudy skies with those winds coming out of the west at 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting to 30. So it's going to make some cold wind chills here in State College today. As we look over for our forecast for tonight, you can see we have a temperature of a low of about 11 with partly cloudy skies with that nice southwest wind at 6 to 8 miles an hour. As we look over our forecast for tomorrow, you can see that we have a high of 24 with mostly cloudy skies and a chance of snow showers throughout the day with a southwest wind at 5 miles an hour. And as we look over our 7-day forecast, you can see that in terms of our snow chances, you can see that we do have a chance of snow every day, nothing major, until next Monday and Tuesday. And our temperature is going to stay fairly consistent until then. But then, of course, we're going to have a nice temperature drop-off by the middle of next week with our highs barely making it out of the teens and even tens by Thursday, with a low in the negatives by the middle to end of next week. So we got to watch out for that cold, as it will be coming very soon. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Grant LaChant. Have a fantastic weekend.